Hi guys, Chris here, and today we've got this awesome Superman Play-Doh surprise egg. But before we check that out, don't forget we're still playing our Finding R2-D2 game, so let us know where you find them in the comments below. Now let's check out this cool Superman Play-Doh surprise egg and see what's inside. If you guys like Superman, give us a big thumbs up to let us know. Bye, Superman. Let's get all this Play-Doh off. I see some goodies. Awesome. Now that we've got all the Play-Doh off, let's check out all the fun things inside. And I think we'll start with this Kid Robot mystery box. It's got Superman and Batman and the Flash, Joker. So let's see which one we have inside. And we have, it's the Swamp Thing. How awesome looking. See all the veins running through him, and you can see his brain right there. Ugh. The Swamp Thing. And you can see right here on the box, he is 3 out of 40. So his chances are 3 out of 40. How cool. Swamp Thing. Now let's check out a Plants vs. Zombies blind bag. And here's the code for those of you that check all the codes. So let's cut her open and see which one we have. Get all pieces out. Oh, drop some pieces. Oh no. Alright, tell you what, I'm going to go ahead and put this together and let's see which one we have. And it looks like we have a mummy zombie. How cool. He's in a little suit. He's got his orange tie and his orange cone hat with a cobra on it. Ooh, crazy. Very, very cool. So now let's check out Ninja Turtles. There's all the figures we can get there on the back. We'll get it ripped open and see what we have. Come on, ninjas. You know, I could be happy with one of the ninjas, or even Shredder would be cool. Shredder's got a real cool look to him. And we have Krang, the evil Krang. His arms don't move. Just a solid figure, but a really cool looking figure. He's got his metallic suspenders there and his big belt. How cool. Stop messing with me. Krang. Hold on, guys. Let me fix this real quick. Alright, I think I got it. I think we're back. And we're back. Sorry about that, guys. Evil Krang. Well, now let's check out a Kinder Egg. Always love these Kinder surprise eggs because they taste so good. And they've got cool toys inside of them. We'll pop her open here and see what we've got. A lot of red plastic. Let's see. Yeah, it's definitely a lot of red plastic. Let's see what we've got on the flyer here. And it looks like it forms some kind of odd pig dinosaur thing. Let's put her together and see what we've got. That's definitely not what we just saw on our flyer, but it's still cool. It is a red bony dinosaur. How awesome. And on to our next Kid Robot surprise box. And the first one, we've got Swamp Thing right there. So let's see who we get this time. And we have... Oh, cool! Superman! Awesome! There he is on the box. And he is a 2 of 20. How cool. And that's who our egg was. His arms move up and down. And his head moves side to side. Love this cape on the back. He definitely looks really cool. Big S on his chest. His nose is definitely red. But how cool is that we got Superman in our Superman egg? That is awesome. Says on the feet, DC Comics and Kid Robot. Little spiky hair too. Very cool. Awesome. And now for our last blind bag of this egg, which is a Mega Bloks SpongeBob blind bag. And you know, I'd like to get either maybe Patrick or even SpongeBob would be cool. I think we've got most of the others. So let's open her up and see what we've got. It'll pour out the piece. Oh, I'm dropping them again. Oh no. And it looks like we've got Sandy. I'm pretty sure this is her. So let me put her together for you and let's find out. And it is definitely Sandy. And she's got her little helmet on. She's got her little tail on the back. And she's reading a book. Let's see. I wonder what is in the book. I can't see from here. Let's pop it off and take a look. Of course, it's a book about Krabby Patties. Awesome. Krabby Patties. So that is Sandy. And she's in her little diving gear. Cool. Well guys, that's it for our Superman Play-Doh surprise egg. Let us know what your favorite thing was in the comments below. And speaking of comments, great job Gavin on finding R2-D2 in one of our last episodes. You guys are so good at that game. Keep on playing and we will see you next time. Take care guys.